Mabuhay! My name is Cyril Osinar. Today, our group will be discussing about the labor law of the Philippines. First, let's start with a little background. The Labor Code of the Philippines is the legal code governing employment practices and labor relations in the Philippines. It was enacted through Presidential Decree number 442 in Labor Day in May 1, 1974 by President Ferdinand Marcos. This is a primary law that governs employment relationship in the country. It sets out the rules of employment contracts, working conditions, wages, benefits, and termination of employment.
The Department of Labor and Employment is the primary government agency that formulates policies and implements programs for our workers and their employers. This agency mandates policies like workers' minimum wage and working hours. For example, the mandated working hours for an employee is 8 hours a day and the maximum of 48 hours a week.
What are other policies that are mandated by DOLE? Another policy would be overtime pay and benefits for the employees. In the Philippines, it is considered an overtime and requires an overtime pay if the employee works more than 8 hours a day or 48 hours a week. Benefits are also mandated to be given by employers to their employees. Basic benefits like SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig contribution.
One of the violations of these laws can subject employers to administrative, civil, and even criminal penalties. The issues raised in the letter regarding minimum wage, hours of work, overtime pay, mandatory benefits, 13-month pay, and holiday pay are some of the most common labor rights violations.
Employees also have the right to complain to DOLE if their employers have violated these policies. They can file a complaint and DOLE will conduct an investigation. If they deem guilty, they will pay a fine or be criminally investigated. One example of complaint that employees can file illegal dismissal, this is when employee feels that were wrongfully terminated.
Other complaints can they file. Another would be underpayment and wage claims. This is common for low-wage workers that employers abuse and not pay for the work that they have done. It is important for employers to pay their workers based on their required minimum salary and give employees benefits that they deserve. Through this, we can ensure that the workers' rights are protected and maintain good relationship between employers and employees.